For questions 6 through 11, we're going to take a look at the shapes of these polar graphs, the name of them, and we're going to describe their symmetry and state their maximum R value. Okay, so if we take a look at number 6 is in the form R equals A plus or minus B cosine of theta. It could also be R equals A plus or minus B sine of theta. When the A value and the B value are the same, that type of a polar graph is going to be a cardioid. And when we graph it in our calculator, it looks like a cardioid. Going back to the graphing, first thing we need to do to see these on the calculator is you need to make sure you're in radian mode. And in the mode button, you need to change the function mode to polar mode. And then you should be okay. Now, if I take a look at question number 6, it looks like the sign of the line of symmetry is theta equals 0. Theta equals 0 radian will cut that graph in half. And the maximum R value is 4. If I take a look at, here's the pole, I go out 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the maximum R value. Okay. Any equation that is in the form R equals A sine of n theta or R equals A cosine of n theta is going to be a rose. So we have a rose here. Here is the line of symmetry. That's theta equals pi over 2. The maximum R value is A, which is equal to 5. That's the length of the petal is 5. For number 8, R equals A plus or minus B cosine of theta, that kind of looks like number 6, although these values are not the same. The A and the B values are not the same. And so the B value is greater than the A value. This is going to be a limaçon with an inner loop. You don't need to know that it has an inner loop, but you need to know that this shape right here is a limaçon. The line of symmetry is theta equals 0, and the R value on there is 5. So remember, you're going from the pole, the maximum value from the pole is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So that maximum R value is 5. Number 9 is also a cardioid. Let's see. Number 10 is a lemniscate. It is in the form R squared equals A squared sine of 2 theta. It could also be cosine of 2 theta. Lemniscates also look like that, or could also be in that form. The A value right here is 3, and that will tell you the length of the petal on there. So that length of that petal is 3. That's the maximum R value. The pole is your line of symmetry, or its symmetry, because if I rotated this 180 degrees, it would look exactly like what it looks like right here. And in number 11, we have a rose value. Since this number is even, then the number of petals that we have will be double that. We have 8 petals on there. And notice the symmetry in number 11. The symmetry in number 11 would be theta equals 0, theta equals pi over 2, and also pole symmetry. If I rotated 180 degrees, it would look exactly identical to what it looks like.